Wow, what a spacious area. I shouldn't get too comfortable, though. I'm sure I won't be here long.
Yeah.
Where is that coming from? Hello? Monster!
Well, what's the matter, boy? Don't you recognize a fellow bag of baby carrots when you see one?
You're a bag of baby carrots?
That's right! I used to be supple and fresh just like you. But that was 3 months ago!
Well, maybe he forgot about you. Maybe he's changed, and he's actually going to eat me.
Oh, sure. We all thought that, didn't we, Celery? He said he was going to put peanut butter on me and stuff me with raisins. He's a liar!
No, he'll eat me.
Face it, boy! You're going to end up just like us. One of 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 us.
Boy, am I glad I'm up here.